Alright guys, and welcome back to today's video. I'm your boy Crypto Mechanic, your number one crypto friend that's actually help you make money in the crypto space without having to make any single investment. So right here guys, we are on another edition. Right now we are going to be talking about an airdrop which I actually introduced few weeks ago, about a month or two, but right now the airdrop has ended and it is now time for you to actually be able to withdraw the coin. So on this video guys, I'll be showing you guys the step-by-step guide on how you can actually be able to make your own withdrawal successfully on this app. Also, I'll be telling you guys the do's and don'ts and the things that you should be expecting if you actually participated on this having one airdrop. So right now guys, you can see I am on the official X handle of Satoshi app. Right now we all know that Satoshi is an Ethereum based app which actually provides us with the opportunity to mine certain cryptocurrency for free. It depends on the one that is live at the moment. So right now, recently there have been two, but right now one has concluded. The one that's just concluded is actually called Haven 1. Okay, right now the one that is still ongoing is called Aka Finance. So you still have the opportunity to actually join the Aka Finance mining on the Satoshi app. So if you want to be getting started, use the link on the video description to get started. So right now let's go back to the topic of the day. You can see right now, a day ago they made this tweet right here on Twitter saying that the Haven 1 token wallet submission is now live on Satoshi app. This simply means that it is now time for you to submit your wallet so that you can actually be able to withdraw your Haven 1 airdrop which you have mined on Satoshi app. You can see submit your wallet for Haven 1 token on Satoshi app. So this is actually available until 21st October 10 a.m. universal time. This simply means that after 21st of October 2024 and you haven't submitted your wallet, you are not going to be able to receive any airdrop. Okay, so right now remember to use the same address you registered with the Haven 1 official testnet. So when the testnet became live, I made a video telling you guys to actually participate on their testnet. So if you take the opportunity to participate on their testnet, then congratulations, because you are going to be able to withdraw. But if you didn't participate on their testnet, I think the testnet is still live. You can participate on the testnet right now and then use the wallet that you used to participate on the testnet and then submit, following the steps that I'm going to be showing in this video. So right now, to get started, we have to go to the Satoshi app. But before I dive properly into the video on how you can be able to do it, please, I beg you, if you like this type of content, please do well to support me by comment below the video you are watching right now and getting to subscribe to our YouTube channel. This actually makes us keeps us motivated to provide you with more videos that's gonna be helping us all. And also don't forget to click on this bell icon and select all, so that anytime we post any new video, YouTube will send you notification instantly. After that, go ahead and give us a thumbs up, and we are really happy for that. So right now let's dive in and talk about how you can actually be able to submit your wallet address and be able to withdraw your Haven 1 airdrop. So right now let's go to the Satoshi app. This is my Satoshi app right now. You can see, like I said earlier, you can see Aka Finance airdrop is still live on the Satoshi app. Right now, let me claim the Aka Finance that I've got. You can see right now, I just claimed this. Let's now go and talk about how you can actually be able to withdraw the Haven 1 airdrop, which we have which we just mined. Okay, so right now to get started, you click over here on me. So once you click on me section, you are gonna be seeing my assets right here, and when you look, you are gonna be seeing see all. You click on see all. So this is gonna be providing you with the list of airdrop that you have actually participated on. So right now, to get started, this is my Haven 1. I was only able to get 37 Haven 1 tokens. So right now when I click right here guys, I will click on it like this. So once you click on it, you are going to be seeing a lot of options, and over here you're going to be seeing link withdrawal address. Remember, you are required to link your EVM withdrawal address. Okay, so right now I will click on link withdrawal address. Over here you can see I need to go and get my EVM withdrawal address and paste right here, and of course insert my password. So right now, where do you get your withdrawal address? You get your withdrawal address from the MetaMask which you used to participate on the testnet. Alright guys, you can see right now I am on my MetaMask wallet. So right here you can see that this is actually core blockchain. So it doesn't matter if you copy the one on the core blockchain or not. What really matters is that you are copying the one, because literally all the wallets on this different network are all the same. So for example, if I select Ethereum, you can see that I still have the same wallet address right here. So right now let me go back to the core. You can see that I still have the same wallet address. If you like, you can come to your Have1 testnet, because when we talked about Have1 testnet, we also talked about how to actually add it to your MetaMask wallet. So go ahead and check the video, because the video is right there on my channel. So right now this is my address. I have to click right here to copy it. Right now that I have copied the address, I have to go back like this and then paste it right here. And once I paste it, I have to insert my password. Then I will click on link withdrawal address. So this is going to be asking you to confirm that you are going to be linking this address. You go ahead to click on confirm. And over here guys, you can see once you have passed that phase, you can see you're going to be required to verify your email. This is the email that you actually used to create your Satoshi app. So right now they have sent me a code on my email. Right now I need to go and get the code and paste it right here in order for me to proceed. And right now this is the email, so this is the code. I have to copy it like this, then I have to go back to the Satoshi app and then paste it over here. Then I'll click on continue. So right now you can see H1, which is Have1 withdrawal address link, is successful. So if you didn't see this message saying that the linked address is now successful, it means you are not done yet. So make sure you receive this message saying that you have successfully linked your address before you actually leave. Okay, so right now I believe you have seen how you can actually be able to link your withdrawal address in order for you to be able to withdraw your Have1 token. So this is how simple it is. And also at some cases you might be required to do some facial verification, which is verifying your face. So to do that is very simple. All you have to do is simply follow the instruction that they are going to be giving to you. So as you are following the instruction, with that you are going to be successfully passing the facial verification and then linking your withdrawal address. So thank you. I believe that you have been able to get a value out of this video. Please, if you have any question, let me know on the comment section and I will address it as soon as I can. Thank you for sticking around today, and I will see you guys on my next video that are gonna be dropping very soon on how to make money on the crypto space without having to make any investment over it. Thank you, and I will see you very soon. Do have a lovely day.